A great new feature in the latest version of HOBOware, which is 3.7.9, which just came out the other day in the beginning of November 2016, is the addition of some filtering capabilities that weren't there previously. And I want to just take a moment and talk to you about that. Basically, what you can do now is you can apply weekly and monthly filters, and we're gonna show you how to do that right now. So here's our splash screen 379. I have a data logger connected to my computer. This is the free version of HOBOware, and we're going to go to Device and Launch. And here we are in the Launch Logger window. Again, this is going to look very similar from logger to logger. This happens to be a 4-channel UX120 logger, the 006M to be precise, but this would be compatible with this new feature would be compatible with any HOBOware compatible logger. So what I want to talk about is filters over here on the right hand side. This is again a 4-channel logger. External input, we have a temperature sensor connected. We click on filter, and what's changed now is we have the ability to select as our interval, or our filter interval, not just day, hour, minute, and second, but also month or week. So what that allows us to do, for example, if we wanted to select a weekly filter, this would give us a new series. Again, this is created by HOBOware when you read out your data, and it's based on one of 3 criteria: maximum, minimum, or average value. If you were logging pulses, like from a UX90 or a pulse input adapter on your microstation or energy log or something like that, there would also be a total filter criteria. But if you say, okay, I want to know what my average temperature was every week, also you can select that. And over here you can say when you want that filter to start. So you can start it at the very first data point that's recorded, or you can start it on a specific day of that week, and then it will be calculated to that day every subsequent week. And again, that's done midnight to midnight. Same with monthly. If you select a monthly filter, you can start it at the very first data point that's recorded, or you can select a day of the month to begin the filter, and it will do that on every subsequent month day of that number. Again, midnight to midnight. So it's a great feature. This also can be applied to historical data files. In the once you have your data plotted, you can go into apply a filter at your historical data. Let's take a look at that. Here we have some data. Again, this is a HOBO project file, but you can apply filters to raw HOBO files as well. This is pulse data from a kilowatt-hour transducer from November of 2010 to March 2012. So what I'd like to do is show you how this monthly filter works. We would click on the series to select that series, and then we can click on the little filter icon at the top of the screen here, or we can go to edit and filter series. We can see now that we have an additional filter criteria called total energy, not just max, min, and average, but also total, because it is pulses. So I want to select that. You can see total is said twice because this is a project file, and we name this with the word total in it. I want to put in monthly, so total monthly energy, so makes it easy. Again, that total came from the previous naming that we did in the project file. With the monthly feature, we can select to we can choose to start at the very first data point, which is 11/21/2010 at 3 p.m. and then every subsequent total will be to 3 p.m. in the next month on that date, the 21st. Or we can select what day of the month we want it to start on, and then it will be from midnight to midnight from those dates, from those days of the month. I'm going to say from first data point and click on OK. And now you can see we have a new series called monthly energy, total monthly energy. And let me just hide the original data. We'll hide that. And there's my totals for each month. Again, listed in tabular format as well as in graphical format. And then you can change how you want to see this, if you want to change the lines, etc. How we showed you how to do that previously. So great new feature in HOBOware 3.7.9.